know about bringing central banks together in a setting like this. Events such as these allow us to just be. And as you experience these games over the coming days, we hope that you will also experience something else, the spirit of Namibia herself, a spirit grounded in warmth, in openness and genuine hospitality. Welcome to Namibia. We thank you very, very much.
For us, it's been an amazing experience. Chess is the youngest sports code for us. It's the first time that we are participating in a competition. But what I can tell you is that the Inter-Central Bank Games have really been an amazing experience. But it's really been wonderful, and thank you so much to all the teams who competed against us.
Very good scenery so far. The games have been very nice. The spirit is good, the morale is high, and apparently I've just won the half marathon, 21 kilometers. The course was tough, was easy in the initial stages because it was cool. The support was amazing along the way, and I'm glad. Apparently I've just also set my personal best in the 21K.
My name is Durezo Dudley from the Central Bank of Botswana. A warm thank you to Namibia and the Erongo region for the warm hospitality. The coordination, very excellent, tense across the board. Yeah, it's been very good. Thank you, Namibia, and we're looking forward to the next games next year. We're bringing our A game.
My name is Karen Hamafonko from the Bank of Zambia. I'm here participating as a netballer for the bank, and so far so good. We've done our best, we've enjoyed ourselves. We thank the Central Bank of Namibia for this gesture.
Hello everyone, I'm Lucia representing the Bank of Namibia. The games have been great so far. Loved connecting with everybody from all the other central banks, and I'm really looking forward to the rest of the events and network with everybody else.
My name is Sandra Ntini. I'm from Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. So I'm the first lady who came first under the 10-kilometer race. So I feel amazing. Our motto is go for the gold, and I went for the gold. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Pumi. I'm from South Africa. It has been a wonderful experience for the Central Game.